Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how to get inside of the Epson Stylus Photo R280 printer. There are other similar models to it, such as R280. There's many other models all over the world that are going to have different numbers, but the R280 is what we're going to demonstrate it on. So it's a pretty simple process. It's whenever you have paper jams or whenever you have vertical lines that go on your paper whenever you need to clean that timing strip, for example. It's hard to get into right here, but it'll be easier when you remove the top. So in order to do that, we're going to need a Phillips head screwdriver. There's going to be about 4 screws that we need to get to. One is right here. The other is over here, and there's 2 in the back. So another thing that you may want to do is plug the printer in. If you need this carrier, the ink carrier, to be free, not locked like it is right now, you would need to plug in the printer, then let this move away and then unplug it. You should be able to, it shouldn't hurt the printer to do that if you're just cleaning it for a little bit or working on it. It shouldn't dry up the print heads or anything like that. Alright, so our first screw right here, and the second is going to be over here. I'll show it to you. It's that one there. You can see it right there. Already unscrewed it. Now we're going to flip the printer around so we can see the other 2 screws. And here they are. There's one here and one here. Remove those. And now we can just lift the top. Sorry, this tray is in the way. Let's remove that. So in order to remove the back tray, we're just going to press right here and remove it that way. When you put it back in, make sure you put it where this is in the right slot right here, and then push it back in into the proper location. So let's remove that because it's not letting us remove the top cover. And now we should be able to just lift this up. There's nothing connected to the top portion of the printer. Make sure you don't lose any screws. I just dropped one and I'm going to pick it up. So here we have the inside of our printer. We have the print head inside of this ink carrier under the cartridges. The timing strip, like I said, if you have vertical lines on your paper that are not printing, not just black lines. Black lines are probably due to this area being dirty, so that needs to be clean. This printer seems to have been used a lot. The ink waste pads are pretty full, I'd say. We have the main board right there. The power supply is under this unit here. That's the control panel right there. So pretty simple to get into. Let's try to put that back and I'll show you how simple that is. So like I said, nothing is connected to it, but when you put this back, make sure this is in a proper location. Here we go. Slide it in. to these slots right here, like that, so it's all nice and flush. Same here, it's all good in the back. So now we're ready for our screws. That's the second one. And then 2 in the back. I'm going to put the tray back. Also, when you have your cover off, another thing that I didn't mention is there's a roller right here, the pickup roller, that is easier accessible when the cover is off. So you may want to clean that if you're having paper pickup issues. Let's install this here. So we're first going to put this into the slot, then make sure you find the hole there, and then another one right here on this side. So you're not pushing this upper, this is just a panel, you're pushing this right inside of it and pushing the tray to the left. And now we have it installed properly. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. Another thing that I wanted to mention is when you open this cover up, for example, the previous model previous printer that I did, that was exactly the same one, R280. In this area, there was a paper jam, and that's what was probably causing different errors. It could have been paper jam, it could have been something else. So when you open this up, take a closer look, because sometimes that paper is not going to be white anymore. It could be soaked in ink, so it's going to be black and hard to see, or hard to spot right away. But inspect the area, and hopefully you can get your printer maintained properly and use it for many years. So thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Thank you.